Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you're picking up some serious signals from a younger woman, but she seems to be playing it cool? You know, those tantalizing moments where you can't quite put your finger on it, but something in the air just feels different? Well, my friends, you're not alone. The world of attraction and flirtation can be a delightfully complex dance, especially when there's an age gap involved. And let's be real, younger women often find themselves torn between their desires and societal expectations, leading them to try and hide their true feelings behind a veil of nonchalance. But fear not, my friends. In this video, we're going to pull back the curtain and reveal the subtle signs that a younger woman is into you, even if she's trying her darndest not to show it. Before we begin, for anyone feeling stuck in the dating world, check out our free coaching call. You'll find the link in the description or pinned comment. Now let's dive in. 1. Avoiding mention of other men. All right, let's kick things off with a classic sign that a younger woman is into you, even if she's playing it cool. She carefully avoids mentioning any other men in her life. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just basic conversational etiquette? And sure, to a certain extent, you're right. But here's the thing. When a woman is genuinely interested in someone, she tends to be a little more protective of that interest, consciously or unconsciously. So, if you find yourself in conversations with a younger woman where she deftly sidesteps any mention of boyfriends, ex-boyfriends, or even just male friends, it could be a subtle sign that she's trying to keep the playing field clear, so to speak. Of course, context is key here. If you're in a group setting or the conversation naturally lends itself to discussing relationships, then her avoidance could just be a coincidence. But if it's a one-on-one interaction and the topic of other men never seems to come up, well, my friend, that could be a telling sign that she's trying to keep the focus squarely on you. And let's be real, there's something undeniably flattering about a woman who's so captivated by your presence that she doesn't even want to risk introducing the idea of romantic competition into the equation. So, keep your ears perked for those conspicuous conversational omissions, and don't be afraid to read a little bit between the lines. After all, what's left unsaid can often speak volumes about a woman's true desires. 2. Avoiding direct conversation. Let's talk about something that might seem a little counterintuitive at first. A younger woman who seems shy or hesitant to engage in direct conversation with you, but is still somehow giving off those unmistakable signals of interest. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't avoiding conversation kind of the opposite of flirting? And you'd be right, to a certain extent. But here's the thing. When it comes to younger women and older men, the dynamics can be a little more complicated. You see, there's often a power imbalance at play, whether it's perceived or real. And for some younger women, that imbalance can be intimidating, leading them to feel shy or insecure about initiating direct conversation or flirtation. But here's the kicker. Even though she might be hesitant to engage you head-on, she's still going to be hanging on your every word, listening intently, and trying to pick up on any subtle cues or signals that you might be interested in her too. It's like she's playing a delicate game of cat and mouse, trying to gauge your interest without putting herself too far out there. And trust me, fellas, there's something undeniably alluring about a woman who's equal parts shy and intrigued. So if you find yourself in a situation where a younger woman seems a little reserved or hesitant to engage in direct conversation, don't write her off just yet. Instead, pay attention to the way she's listening to you, the way her body is angled towards you, and the way her eyes light up when you speak. Because sometimes, the most powerful signals of attraction aren't the bold, in-your-face gestures, but rather the subtle, almost imperceptible shifts in energy and attention that reveal a woman's true desires, even if she's trying her best to keep them under wraps. 3. Quick glances. You know the one I'm talking about, right? That split-second moment where you catch her looking at you, her eyes full of curiosity and maybe even a hint of longing, before she quickly averts her gaze, trying to act like she wasn't just caught staring. It's a deliciously subtle dance, one that's been played out in bars, classrooms, and office spaces since the dawn of time. And let me tell you, my friends, there's something undeniably thrilling about being on the receiving end of those furtive glances. Because let's be real, when a woman steals a glance at you, it's not just a casual look, it's a subconscious acknowledgement of her attraction, a fleeting moment where her true desires slip through the carefully constructed facade of nonchalance. And the best part? Those stolen glances are often accompanied by a whole host of other subtle cues, a slight blush, a nervous fidget, or maybe even a coy smile that she tries her best to suppress. So, keep your eyes peeled, fellas, because those quick glances are like breadcrumbs leading you down the deliciously tantalizing path of flirtation, and seduction. And who knows, if you play your cards right, those furtive glances might just be the first step towards something truly special. 4. Complimenting subtly. Let's talk about something that can be both incredibly flattering and maddeningly subtle: the art of the understated compliment. You see, when a younger woman is into you but trying her best to keep her cool, she's not going to come right out and shower you with over-the-top praise or effusive flattery. Oh no, that would be far too obvious, and she's playing a much more delicate game. Instead, she'll opt for the subtlest of compliments, the kind that might slip right past you if you're not paying close attention. It could be a casual comment about how she admires your sense of style, or a seemingly offhand remark about how impressive your knowledge on a particular subject is. And here's the real kicker. These compliments will often be delivered with a slight air of nonchalance, almost as if she's trying to downplay their significance. But trust me, fellas, there's nothing casual about a woman going out of her way to praise you, no matter how understated the delivery might be. Because let's be real, when a woman compliments you, even in the most subtle of ways, she's subconsciously signaling her admiration and her interest. It's her way of letting you know that she sees something special in you, something that's caught her eye and piqued her curiosity. So keep your ears perked for those seemingly innocuous compliments, and don't be afraid to read a little bit between the lines, because sometimes it's the things that are left unsaid that speak the loudest about a woman's true desires. Appreciating the insights in today's video? Imagine how much more you could achieve with personalized guidance from a dedicated dating coach. Our free 60-minute strategy call is a game changer for anyone serious about improving their dating skills. Click the link in the pinned comment to book your session and start dating with renewed confidence and success. 5. Body language cues. When it comes to younger women who are into you but trying to play it cool, their body language can be a veritable goldmine of information, revealing their innermost thoughts and feelings in deliciously subtle ways. First up, let's talk about orientation. If you find yourself in a group setting or even just a one-on-one conversation, and you notice that her body is angled towards you, even when she's not directly engaging with you, well, my friend, that's a pretty clear sign that you've captured her attention, and maybe even her interest. Next, pay attention to those little fidgets and self-grooming gestures. Is she playing with her hair, smoothing out her clothes, or subtly adjusting her posture when you're around? These seemingly innocuous actions could be subconscious attempts to present her best, most alluring self, betraying her true desires beneath that carefully constructed facade of nonchalance. And let's not forget about eye contact. A woman who's truly interested in you, even if she's trying to hide it, will find herself holding your gaze just a little bit longer than necessary, her eyes sparkling with a hint of curiosity, and maybe even a touch of longing. But here's the real kicker. If you notice that she's mirroring your gestures and posture, almost imperceptibly, well, that's a surefire sign that she's tuned into you on a deeper level, subconsciously aligning her body language with yours in a delicious dance of attraction. 6. Casual recommendations. You know the scenario. You're chatting with a younger woman, maybe about your favorite books, movies, or music, and out of the blue, she starts suggesting titles or artists that she thinks you might enjoy. And not just random recommendations, mind you, but carefully curated picks that seem to align perfectly with your tastes and interests. Now, on the surface, this might just seem like a friendly gesture, a way to keep the conversation flowing and find common ground. But let me tell you, fellas, there's often a lot more going on beneath the surface. You see, when a woman takes the time to recommend something to you, she's not just making a casual suggestion. She's subconsciously signaling that she's been paying attention to your interests and preferences, that she's invested in finding ways to connect with you on a deeper level. And let's be real, there's something undeniably flattering about a woman who's so captivated by you that she's actively considering your tastes and trying to tailor her recommendations to match. But here's the real kicker. These recommendations aren't just about finding common ground. They're also a subtle way for her to keep the conversation flowing, to keep that delicious thread of connection alive and vibrant, even if she's trying her best to play it cool. 7. Remembering details. Guys, let's talk about something that might seem small and insignificant, but can actually be a massive green flag when it comes to a younger woman who's into you. Remembering the little details. You know what I'm talking about, right? Those seemingly innocuous moments when she casually references something you mentioned in passing weeks or even months ago, leaving you wondering how on earth she could have possibly remembered that tiny nugget of information. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just a sign of good listening skills? And sure, to a certain extent, you're right. But here's the thing. When a woman takes the time to remember and recall even the most inconsequential details about you, It's not just a matter of politeness. It's a subconscious signal that she's actively invested in getting to know you on a deeper level. Because let's be real, fellas, women don't just randomly store away irrelevant facts and anecdotes unless there's an underlying reason for it. No, when a younger woman is truly interested in you, she'll cling to those little details like lifelines, cherishing each one as a precious glimpse into the inner workings of your mind and your life. And here's the real kicker. By referencing those details in conversation, she's not just demonstrating her impressive memory. She's also subtly letting you know that she's been paying close attention to you, that you've been occupying her thoughts in a way that goes far beyond just casual acquaintanceship. So now that you know how to spot those hidden signs of interest, what's next for you? Discover the signs she hasn't had sex for a long time, or learn how to decode her body language. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.